you put the lid. Oi, que isso, cara? My son and I will show you how to make popcorn from scratch.
Scratch?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, we also use this, but the reason I like to do it like this is because I used to do like that as a kid back in Brazil. My parents didn't want to buy a microwave. They decided to buy a microwave after I moved out, so I had to. If I want a popcorn, I had to learn how to do this.
Right.
Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time it to show it real time to show you guys that it's not that hard. Hey, Leandro?
Yep.
Do you wanna press start?
Tell me when.
Agora. Okay. So first of all, you're gonna put a little bit of oil. I like to add a little bit of butter as well. And don't worry too much about quantities. Because all you need to do is gauge by the bottom of the pot. For example, the corn, it'll just cover the bottom of the pot like that. That's the right quantity. So it depends on what pot you're using.
This is going quick.
And the oil, you don't want to submerge all of the corn. Just make sure they all touching the oil, and I like to add a little bit of butter. Tá olhando, Leandro? Presta atenção.
Wait, when do we put the butter? Oh, you just put it in.
Yeah. Now this, don't forget the lid. The lid is important.
Very important?
So, yeah.
Oh, when did it just get find out?
This is probably the most important part. You have to stir non-stop.
Why?
Because
The butter won't.
you want all the corn to get hot at the same time and start popping, because when they start popping, it'll be done really quick.
Then you gotta put... Why?
So
Are you gonna put the lid on?
when it start popping.
Oh, you gotta
Yeah.
quick.
You gotta be quick. You have to watch. The corn is gonna start changing color soon. Now this is high heat, and soon it's gonna start popping. Now this is not to prove that it's quicker than microwave popcorn, because it's not. But it doesn't take that much longer. And when it starts popping, I feel that it pops quicker than the microwave popcorn.
I feel like it's about to pop.
They're gonna start getting light in color.
Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Ooh.
Is this how you made at your home?
Yeah.
But how do you remember it?
Well, I'm not that old.
Well, you got a little bit of grey hair.
Oh, you're gonna start popping soon. Oh, yeah, popped. Once the first one pop, you can start. You put the lid. Oi, que isso, cara?
I want to see.
You get fried, and then you turn the heat down to medium.
Let me see.
No, I can't take the lid off now because it's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
So after they start popping, every so often you give a little shake like this. So that's to because you want all the corn to be on the bottom, because when it starts popping, they go everywhere, and if they're not in the bottom, they won't pop, because they need to keep heating up.
Hey, bye. That's hot. It's a lot more than I thought it was before.
Yeah.
Look.
So
Can I get 2 bowls?
Okay. Now it's starting to stop the popping, and then you turn it off. Give it a little shake. And then at this stage you can probably move away from the heat. otherwise it might start burning. And then it's done.
Oh.
So altogether 4 minutes 17 seconds. That's just over 1 minute longer than the microwave one, which is not too bad.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, can I get the salt?
Yeah.
I want to sniff it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
If you don't want to do like this all the time, it's so good because I mean, microwave is easy as well, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now,
But this is funner.
Yeah, yeah. But if you want to keep some of these in the cupboard, just in case you run out of these, you know how to make it now. It's pretty easy. Plus, I mean, if you've got kids, it's a good first step on teaching them how to cook.